The Robin engine is a general-purpose engine designed and produced by Fuji Heavy Industries Limited, manufacturer of Subaru automobiles. The Subaru Impreza won the World Rally Championship's overall first prize for 3 consecutive years between 1995 and 1997, garnering worldwide attention for its superb performance. Subaru automobiles have a long track record of superior performance even under the world's most demanding driving conditions. Now, this proven technology has been incorporated into Robin engines. Thus, the reliability of Subaru and the reliability of Robin are one and the same. Robin engines feature high power output, low fuel consumption, high durability, and easy operation. They meet the demanding standards required of today's general-purpose engines. In Japan, Robin engines have an 80% share of the market in small-sized construction machinery, which requires high-level technologies. To create engines that fulfill the exacting specifications of professionals is the mission of Robin engines. Robin engines are general-purpose engines designed for use in a variety of fields. With a wide range of models to choose from, we're able to provide the perfect engine for every need. There's a full lineup of incomparable Robin engines to choose from, and the company's new EX series offers an even wider range to meet customer needs. In spite of their competitive value, the EY series engines remain extremely reliable and versatile. The EH series provides the highest quality for demanding professional use. High quality and reliability are combined in the new almighty EX series. These versatile engines are designed to meet a wide range of applications. The EX series is a line of air-cooled, 4-cycle, inclined cylinder OHC gasoline-powered engines. Using the inclined cylinder design makes the EX series appropriate for the widest range of applications. The EX series creates a new standard of OHC engines sure to satisfy customer needs. The EX series has 3 major characteristics: low noise, easy startup, and parts commonality, making life as easy as possible for users. Noise testing has been conducted in the laboratory, greatly reducing the engine noise of the EX series. Compared to our competitors' engines in the same class, notice how much quieter the EX series engines are. Take a look at these comparisons with competitors' engines. The noise from EX engines is much lower across a wide range of frequencies than those of our competitors, especially in the high frequency bands to which human ears are most sensitive. We accomplish this through precision design and by reinforcing all components. With fewer moving parts, the OHC system also reduces mechanical noise. The EX starts easily with a single light pull. We were unable to detect any kickback when starting. The EX also started within 3 attempts at a temperature of -10 degrees Celsius. Some competitors' engines needed over 10 tries to start. This graph shows the force required to start various engines. Note that the EX series engines require comparatively less force to start than competitor models. "93% of all components are common between 2 or more models in the EX series. Furthermore, 52% of the components are common to all 4 models. This simplifies maintenance and repair. we succeeded in our goal of creating low-noise, easy-starting engines with significant parts commonality. Advanced technologies are used in the EX series. Our goal in developing the EX series was to create powerful engines with clean exhaust emissions. We paid particular attention to the pent roof type combustion chamber. The straight port shape, which allows us to see the inside of the combustion chamber, cuts intake resistance. This pent roof type combustion chamber enables a much higher combustion speed and improved combustion characteristics. The result is a higher power output and cleaner exhaust emissions. Preliminary tests showed the conventional belt drive system was not strong enough to achieve the durability we sought for the Robin engines. Instead, we used Subaru technology to develop a chain drive system for the EX series. We also adopted an oval case-hardened chain to minimize stretch and reduce breakage. This oval shape, combined with a sprocket cog design, results in an extremely quiet chain system. We also have a newly designed main bearing cover. In order to reduce weight and ensure high rigidity, we set the PTO bearing surface flush with the main bearing cover mounting surface. This design greatly increased reliability. There are many other advanced technologies featured in the EX series. These include large surface cylinder fins, cooling fins both inside and outside the case, and also a fin at the bottom of the case. The addition of these fins has resulted in superior cooling performance. Oil delivery has also been improved. The scraper and rocker cover configuration also improves cooling efficiency by constantly regulating the flow of oil to the camshaft and rocker arms. The technology that improves cooling efficiency also facilitates consistent high power output and excellent durability. Many patented technologies are deployed in this small engine. The EX series presents next-generation general-purpose engines incorporating a variety of advanced technologies. Even with these cutting-edge technologies, the EX series engines remain light and compact. The envelope size of the EX engines is the same or smaller than those of our competitors. In addition, these engines are perfectly compatible with existing inclined cylinder engines. The EX series engines have been designed for easy servicing, both in the shop and in the field. Routine engine maintenance is easily performed with ordinary tools. The Robin EX series, high performance for the new century. The latest evolution in general purpose engines.